Is it possible that there is another version of our world that exists parallel to our own? For years, the idea of parallel universes has been a popular topic in science fiction, but what if it's not just fiction? What if there is a parallel universe, and we just found proof of it? Recently, a team of physicists at the Fermi National Accelerator Laboratory made a groundbreaking discovery. In an experiment, they found that a proton behaved in a way that goes against the fundamental laws of physics. This could be evidence of a parallel universe. The idea is that there could be other universes existing alongside our own, each with its own set of physical laws and properties. In some of these universes, gravity might behave differently or time might flow backward. The possibilities are endless. This discovery is just the beginning of a new chapter in our understanding of the universe. Further experiments are needed to confirm these findings and to explore the possibility of parallel universes. The scientists at FermiLab are already hard at work on the next set of experiments. They are looking to see if the strange proton behavior is truly evidence of a parallel universe or if there is another explanation. If parallel universes do exist, the implications could be vast. It could open up new avenues for space travel, energy, and even time travel. Imagine a world where time travel is possible or where we have access to unlimited energy. These are just some of the possibilities that the discovery of parallel universes could bring. This discovery is just the beginning. As scientists continue to explore the possibilities of parallel universes, who knows what other secrets of the universe will be unlocked? The discovery of this strange proton behavior could be the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe and the existence of parallel universes. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for discoveries is vast. If you want to stay updated on the latest developments in science and the mysteries of the universe, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. We will be sure to bring you the latest updates on this fascinating and groundbreaking discovery.